Running tip and trick number 8. We're gonna do high aerobic or tempo workout. Now, what does this mean? There's a middle of the road steady state exercise that is hard and that we can't do forever. And this helps to raise our threshold over time. This would compare to a 7 or 7.5 on a 10 scale of intensity. So a warm-up could look like 5 to 10 minutes of easy progressive jogging, and the workout set could be 8 minutes at that intensity of 7.5 out of 10 with 2 minutes recovery, followed by another 8 minutes at that 7.5 intensity, followed by a cool down. And now, by this point, you should have all the tips and tricks needed to sign up for a running event this spring or summer.